Usually we do videos and how-tos and all kinds of other stuff, and there's a camera up there somewhere, or none at all, and we're recording a screen. But I got this new Action camera, and I thought we could do some more videos where we walk and talk about content, just to try it out. Anywho, today we're not doing a walk and talk about anything serious. Today we are doing a sound test, and for that we will be doing a tour of Milk Moon Studio. So yeah, please forgive the reflection in my glasses, but we're gonna take this puppy out and show you what Milk Moon Studio is like. I mean, let's be fair, Milk Moon Studio is just the house. So I'm not even going to show you all of it. But I do want to see what it sounds like outside, and the wind's blowing, which is great, because it might sound really, really crap, and then I know. So let's do that. So first things first, let's flip this guy around so I can see. That's the Milk Moon Studio background. That's old iMac doing weird stuff. This is my work area, which is very messy at the moment. That's a gecko. And that's the outside. Cool. If we go over here, we got the TV room. A lazy sausage dog, fireplace, TV. Ooh, another lazy sausage dog outside wanting to come inside. She can come in. Outside area, backyard. There's a fire pit and stuff over there. I don't know, we could walk around the house now. Kitchen. Got some pictures on the wall, some prints. Oh yes, the sun, the very bright light. If we go through here, let's see. Hallway, lots of family pictures. Sausage dog doing more stuff. Lights are off in here, but anyway, switch them on. Living room, another TV, but that's more for when there's more like family here, and a portable aircon because it was really, really, really hot this summer, and I just switched the wrong light off. And the front yard. And we got another dog, and another dog. And the garden, some house, a bench, a tree. I'm just saying stuff because I'm trying to see what it sounds like on the built-in microphones. And that is the house. It's sort of sunset now, sunsetting behind the house, so not the greatest light actually. Go around the side here. Lawn needs a mow. We got a new lawnmower last week, so haven't tried that out yet. There's the old water tank that needs to get out of the way. This was supposed to be a pool for Ziggy, the mini pig, but he was too scared to use it. Fire pit, another water tank, folded up ladder, 3 more water tanks, giant filter, and then some more backyard storage. peek around the corner, but I mean there's nothing really to see there. Veg garden around the back there, and you can see fields on the other side. Dog, hosepipe flying around, dry, kayak hanging, the water tanks again. We're just testing the sound. The wind, it really is blowing. Plastic coming up from the gravel. Cat, oh god, eating a mouse. Got some garden. The view is actually blocked. The view is the best part. So let's go look at the view. Some more roses, garden, really long grass at the moment. It's like I'm trying to do my best here with the lawn under the tree, but yeah, that's just not gelling. Got myself stuck in a rope. Lawn roller, broken egg chairs, they didn't work out. Gigantic compost heap, dog chasing a truck. Some farm buildings. Nothing's really being used here. We rent out the property. And then the mountain going in all directions. So that's just mountain, mountain, mountain. Yeah. And that is the tour, well, the small tour of Milk Moon Studio. Let's see what it looks like when we get back. These are like, they're not bromeliads. What the hell are, and it's the devil's plants. They're just covered in thorns. This is from Uruguay. This is the Umbu house. We got a lot of pets. If you look down there, you'll see the bunny house. There's 3 bunnies living down there. Dog's chasing a cat. Don't worry, it's their cat. They get to chase it. Driveway. Main house again. Back to the front. Outside Wi-Fi. What else is there to see? And stop.